Hi, I'm Sarah Stonecipher, and welcome to my channel where we talk all things brick and mortar retail. And I have something so exciting to share. I wrote an ebook. I love to pass on everything I have learned in my 25 years of retail, and so I have put together a totally inclusive book that will help you get started. Now, this book in particular, first of many I hope, is specific to getting your store open. So if you are thinking about opening a store, or you're just wondering kind of what the logistics are, maybe trying to figure out if you want to open a store, this book is for you. It is 44 pages of beautifully curated. We're not talking your old school business book, guys. I worked with an amazing artist to put this entire thing together so it is visually just mwah, if I do say so myself. But what that does is it makes it really easy to read. It's just not just words on a page. So we have broken it out into lots of different interactive categories. There's 23 different links, 7 videos that you can click into. I bring in experts to talk about things that are above my pay grade, like finance and marketing. But we will give you the all-inclusive of who, what, where, when, and why. So the who, we will go deep dive into who do you want your specific customer to be, how to find a location, the perfect location to find that specific customer. We give you all the details on how to get legitimate, the scariest part of opening your business, right? How do you know what are all of the things that you're gonna need to start a bank account, get loans, get your business license? We make that so easy for you. Plus, we go into a full detail of how to create your branding kit. Now, what is a branding kit? It is starting off on the right foot. Don't just think, okay, I need a name. No, you need colors. You need how to bring it cohesively across all of your social media platforms. We make it so easy. And then one of the biggest things that I'm so proud of is how to do research and development for your products that you're going to carry. So many people get caught up in how fun it is, and so they'll go to market and just buy whatever they love, which is partially true, but you need to go in with a plan. And we walk you through the entire process of how to narrow down not only who your customer is, like I said, but how to take that information into your research and development. I give you all of my favorite brands and where to find them, where to get inventory. It is a large part of this book is that, because I think it's so dang important. I have given free spreadsheets, you guys, that will walk you through the entire process from opening the idea of your store to opening your store, and everything that you would possibly need and how to stay on budget to get there. Plus, how to set up your point of sale. Can you guys imagine how much is in this book? How to do the hiring process, even how to get the word out once you are actually open. I'm so proud of this. You can head on over to my website and download it. I'm telling you, there's nothing else out on the market with as much information and as beautiful as this book is. You can click the link below and download it within 5 seconds. It's super easy, and let me help you become a small business owner. It's only $49.95. That is a steal out on the market today. I would love to help you open your dream store.
Have you ever dreamed of opening your own clothing store? Would you love to be a larger part of your local community? Or maybe you already have an online shop but want to take the leap into a physical location. Well, join me as I pull back the curtain on all things brick and mortar. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on how to grow and thrive in your own retail storefront.